በዛሬው ዕለት ስለ ኦርጋኒክ ኮምፓውንድስ አብረን እናያለን። ስለዚህ ይህንን በጥሞና በማዳመጥ የራሳችሁን እውቀት እንድትጨብጡ አሳስባለሁ። Then organic compounds. We know that organic compounds must contain at least one carbon atom. Organic compounds must contain at least one carbon atom in the molecule. This doesn't mean all compounds with carbon atom are organic, because few compounds that contain carbon atoms are not organic. For example, carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, carbonic acid, carbonate ions, bicarbonate, hydrogen cyanide, and salts of cyanide ions are not organic. These are not organic compound, because they are not hydrocarbon and they are not hydrocarbon derivatives. To be organic, there must be hydrocarbon or hydrocarbon derivatives. These are not hydrocarbon and they are not hydrocarbon derivatives. As a result, even though they contain a carbon atom, they are not considered as organic. Therefore, they are inorganic compounds. Now, organic compounds can be classified as hydrocarbons and hydrocarbon derivatives. These are the two classes of organic compounds: hydrocarbons and hydrocarbon derivatives. Now the hydrocarbons are alkane, alkene, alkyne, aromatics. These are hydrocarbons. They contain only hydrogen in the carbon. Hydrocarbons. Now these are derived from hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbon derivatives are derived from hydrocarbons. These are alcohol. Alcohol has the hydroxyl functional group. Alcohol, aldehyde, aldehyde has this functional group. Carbonyl, carbon attached to hydrogen. Ketone has this functional group. Has also carbonyl carbon attached to another group. This is ketone. It has a carbonyl carbon again. The other one is a carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid has this carbonyl carbon attached to OH. This is carboxylic acid. And the other one is ester. Ester is organic compound known with this functional group. Carbonyl carbon attached to oxygen and another alkyl or aryl group, ester. The other one is ether. Ether is organic compound derived with this functional group. Oxygen is between two carbon atoms. Ether. Then we have also other derived from hydrocarbons. Amide. Amide are organic compounds that contain this or known by this functional group. It has also carbonyl carbon and this amine. The other one is the amine. Amine is also organic compound derived from hydrocarbons with these functional groups. These are most of organic compounds derived from hydrocarbons. They are known with their functional group. Functional group. What is functional group? Functional group. The hydrocarbons have their own functional group. The hydrocarbons derived from hydrocarbons also have their functional group. Functional group is the part of molecule that determine the chemical properties as well as physical properties. Now these physical properties and the chemical properties are governed by the functional group. Now let's see some important ones. Organic acid. Organic acids are oxygen derivatives. It is a carbonyl compound. Carbonyl compounds contain carbonyl carbon. This is a carbonyl carbon. This carbonyl carbon. All organic compound with carbonyl carbon are known as carbonyl compound. Ketone is ketone, aldehyde, ether, ester, carboxylic acid, amide. These are carbonyl compounds. Because their functional group contain carbonyl carbon. All molecules with carbonyl carbons are known as carbonyl compound. Alcohol is not carbonyl. Alcohol, ether, amine, these are not carbonyl compound, because their functional group doesn't contain carbonyl carbon. Their functional group doesn't contain. Now let's see the carboxylic acid now. Carboxylic acid has this functional group. The carbonyl carbon and the hydroxyl are known as group. These are collectively known as the functional group. These are the functional group of organic acid. To be organic acid, there must be this group, which is known as this is known as carboxylic group. Carboxylic